Good morning. Welcome to our GK and conversation class. Today we will learn about birds. Do you know what is bird? Bird has feathers, wings and beak. Most birds can fly by using their wings. This is a sparrow. We can see it easily around us. It eats fruits, vegetables and small insects. This is a myna. It eats insects and plants. This is an eagle. It can fly very high in the sky. It is a flesh-eating bird. This is an owl. It is known as night bird because it is usually seen in night. This is an ostrich. It has wings but it cannot fly. Ostrich is world's largest bird. It can run very fast. This is a crow. It is black in color. We can see it easily around us. This is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It has beautiful feathers. It cannot fly very high as it has long wings. This is a hen. People tamed hen for its eggs and meat. We can see it easily around us. This is a cuckoo. It is black in color with white beak. It is known as singing bird because it has very sweet voice. This is a pigeon. Pigeon is a universal symbol of peace. We can see it easily around us. This is a duck. It lives mainly on water. It is found in different colors like yellow, white, golden and many more. This is a swan. It lives mainly on water. It is mostly white in color. This is a parrot. It likes to eat chili. It has red beak. Parrots are known for imitating human voices. Now, I will teach you some questions and their answers. Question number 1. Give the name of our national bird. And the answer is the peacock is our national bird. Question number 2. Which bird has red beak? And the answer is the parrot has red beak. Question number 3. Which birds can be seen around us? And the answer is pigeon, sparrow, hen and crow can be easily seen around us. Question number 4. Which is the largest bird? And the answer is the ostrich is the largest bird. Question number 5. Which bird is known as night bird? And the answer is the owl is known as night bird. Question number 6. How do birds fly? And the answer is birds fly with their wings. Bye bye kids.